Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Oculus app and remove headset pairing, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Oculus app from your device, begin by locating the application on your computer or mobile device. If you're using a Windows PC, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Type Control Panel in the search bar and hit Enter. In the Control Panel, select Programs and then Programs and Features. Scroll through the list to find the Oculus app. Click on it to highlight the application. At the top of this window, click the Uninstall button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation. If you're using a Mac, open the Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Oculus app within this folder. Drag the Oculus app icon to the trash. Alternatively, right-click on the app and select Move to Trash. Now, to remove the paired headset, open the Oculus app. If it's still, click on Devices in the lower section of the app. Find your headset in the list of connected devices. Select the headset you wish to unpair. Choose the Remove Device option. Confirm the removal when prompted. Next, disconnect the headset from your device if it is physically connected. To complete the process, check that the headset is no longer listed in the app. Reboot your device to ensure all changes have taken effect. You have now successfully uninstalled the Oculus app and removed headset pairing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.